Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Cyber Audit Talks. Today I'm going to show you how to remove Zongzonger malware from one of my friend's computer. Let's begin. First, open Task Manager and search for any program that looks suspicious or unknown. It is recommended to download and run MSRT. MSRT is a Windows malicious software removal tool. While downloading, let's check the Windows registry. Pause the video and go to this section. Open the task scheduler. You will also find the cases of malware to run after restart. Let's scroll and run MSRT. While installing, let's check browser's notifications. Here you can see some unknown websites have access to notifications. Remove the access. Let's delete the task in the task scheduler. Delete the key from Registry for expert users only, and delete the task from the task manager. Congratulations, malware is removed.